Hello friends, welcome to Tathagata online classes. This is a part 2 of Spardha Vijeta magazine September month and also Tathagata current affairs in the form of MCQ. Okay, we will start the video now. It is a part 2. Okay, if you didn't watch yet part 1, please watch from our channel and also subscribe to YouTube Tathagata online classes. And if you want to watch the same video in the Kannada version, we have provided the link in the description box. Okay, we will start the video now. First question in this part will be this one. Okay, recently which of the following states or union territories, which of the following state has launched the Parvaz Market Linkage Scheme? Okay, Parvaz Market Linkage Scheme. Here correct answer is option C, Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu Kashmir is the right answer. This market linkage scheme, what is this Parvaz Market Linkage Scheme means? It will provide a support. It will provide a support for the shipment of agriculture and horticulture perishable goods. Okay, it will provide a shipment through air cargo. Ship the air agriculture and horticulture products through air cargo. Okay, cargo in J&K. Next, on the occasion of World Biofuel Day, here two questions will be formed using these information. On World Biofuel Day celebrated on August 10 every year, and recently Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has dedicated the second generation ethanol plant in Panipat, Haryana. Okay, they may ask on the World Biofuel Day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has dedicated the second generation ethanol plant in which of the following cities? Okay, it is in Panipat, Haryana. These are the information related to biofuel. Okay, first generation biofuel will be produced from edible biomass. Edible biomass using sugar beet, sugarcane, wheat and corn, etc. Whatever the person eatable, means edible biomass. Next, second generation non-edible biomass, wood, straw, rice straw, grass, wheat grass. Okay, whatever the waste generated from agriculture products. Next, third generation algal blooms, microorganisms, algal biomass, microorganisms, microalgae, macroalgae, etc. Using that third generation biofuel will be produced. Next, recently under the project means testing phase, fourth generation, it will be breakthrough. Okay, pyrolysis, solar to fuel, engineering algae and gasification. Through this method, fourth generation biofuel will be produced. According to this related to biofuel, in 2020 UPSC prelims, they have asked a question related to India's national policy on biofuels. According to that one, which of the following is used as a raw material in the production of biofuels? Here, see 6 items they are given. Here, cassava, damaged wheat grains, rotten potatoes and sugar beet. Whatever the waste generated from agriculture products are used in the second generation production of the bioethanol. Okay, so here 1 to 5, 6 has been included in the national biofuel policy, not the which are agriculture products which are edible in nature. Next question, National Institute of Ocean Technology NOIT is establishing ocean thermal energy conversion plant in which of the following places to power the low temperature thermal desalination plant. Okay, the desalination plant. Here correct answer is Lakshadweep Islands. Next question, recently which of the following state has decided to develop one Sanskrit speaking village in every district of the state? Here correct answer is option D, Uttarakhand. Next question, what is the name of new ration card software which has been launched as a common facility to register names in the ration card? Correct answer is Ration Mitra. Ration Mitra is a portal online registration of ration cards. Next one, which of the following committees of the Government of India is related to personal data protection bill? Here correct answer is Justice B.N. Sri Krishna Committee. Justice B.N. Sri Krishna Committee is related to personal data protection. Okay. Next, Rohini Committee is related to subcategorization of OBC. Next, Nichiket More Committee related to small business and low income families. For them, this banking service and financial service will be provided. To provide that, the Nichiket More Committee has been appointed. Next, Nandan Nilekani Committee has been appointed to improve the digital ecosystem for the digital payment system in India. So here, personal data protection bill related to Justice Bri Krishna Committee, BNC Krishna. What is the name of radio channel? Launched by Uttar Pradesh state government on the occasion of Kakori Train Action Day on 9th August in 1925. Okay, 1925. Here correct answer is Radio Jayaghosh. Radio Jayaghosh is the right answer. Next one, recently Bharat NCAP was seen in the news. It is related to motor vehicle safety. Recently, Cyrus Mistry sir has been met with the accident in the road. Okay, he lost his life. Very important in the road accident. Okay, for that Bharat NCAP, it is a rating based safety assessment for Indian cars, and this will be aligned to the global benchmark. And under this Bharat NCAP program, ratings will be given from 1 to 5. Okay, rating will be assigned for the safety star from 1 to star. 5 means maximum safety and 1 means lowest safety to the consumers, so that it will be able to make the informed choices for the customers. For every manufacturing company, it is a mandatory from now onwards. And also recently Nitin Gadkari has announced 6 airbags compulsory for every cars from in the coming future. Okay. Next, Tiger Range Countries Summit 2022 will be held in Russia. It will be held in Russia. Tiger Day, International Tiger Day, we celebrate on July 29. Because in St. Petersburg, Tiger Conference was held. So on July 29, we celebrate International Tiger Day. Next, recently Zoonotic virus named Langa Henipa virus discovered in which of the following countries? It is discovered in China. China is the capital of virus in the world right now. Okay. Next, recently Union Cabinet has approved the signing of audio-visual co-production treaty between India and which of the following countries? Australia is the right answer. Now India and Australia will collaborate Indian this cinema and Australian cinema. Okay, in the movie making, we have signed the audio-visual co-production treaty with Australia, India and Australia. Next question. Recently, Ministry of Skill Development (MSDE) and Capacity Building Center Commission (CBC) has signed a MOU with which of the following companies to train the civil servants? Okay, civil servants. Here, correct answer is option C, Microsoft. Next question. What is the name of Digital Space Museum which has been recently launched by ISRO? What is the name of Digital Space Museum? Digital Space Museum name is Spark. Okay, Spark. And also in 2021 in Hyderabad, ISRO has launched India's first space museum. Okay, India's first space museum. Recently, which of the following countries has launched a Smile 75 initiative? What is Smile? Support for marginalized individual and livelihood enterprise. Here, correct answer is Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. What is this Smile 75? It is to reduce the begging. Who are the beggars now? They have to rehabilitation center for beggars. Okay. We have to reduce the begging in India For that, Smile has been program has launched by Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. We have to provide them rehabilitation using education, provide basic necessities, whatever for the healthy human life. Okay. Next question. Under the CRPC means not CRPC, CRIS Act, Criminal Procedure Identification Act 2022. Records can be stored in how many years? Record can be stored now in 75 years. For 75 years, the criminal data related to that crime has stored for 75 years. What is the name of recently launched India's first saline water lantern, which is uses seawater to power LED lamps? The name of the saline water lantern is Roshini. Using the seawater, that LED will be powered. Okay, using this Roshini lantern. Recently, India has added 11 more wetlands to Ramsar site. Now, total number of Ramsar sites across India is 75. On 75th in Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, we have completed 75 Ramsar site in Ramsar list. Okay, Ramsar is related to wetland. World Wetland Day is celebrated on which day? You please write in the comment section. Okay. And Ramsar comes in Iran. Okay. Next, recently, Asia's largest compressed biogas CBG plant, compressed biogas, has been inaugurated in Sangrur, Punjab state. Sangrur. Next, recently, Padang was seen in the news, where in July 1943, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose delivered a phrase, Delhi Chalo movement. During the Quit India movement, Subhash Chandra Bose has started this Delhi Chalo phrase from Padang. Okay, where it is Padang? Padang is in which of the following country? It is in Singapore. Okay, Padang is in Singapore. Recently, Narendra Modi ji has unveiled the statue. Okay, Netaji statue in India Gate. Okay, India Gate, and also the Rajpath will be now renamed as Kartavya Path. Okay, now it will be known as Kartavya Path. Kartavya Path. Okay, Kartavya Path. Next, recently India gifted Dornier 228 aircraft to which of the following country? Sri Lanka. To Sri Lanka we have gifted Dornier 228 aircraft. Recently, which of the following country has authorized its first ever COVID-19 vaccine for the Omicron variant? Correct answer is UK. Okay, recently Chenab Railway Bridge was inaugurated. Chenab Railway Bridge. What is the name of that Chenab Railway Bridge? It is a Golden Joint. Okay, Golden Joint. It is a more high. It is more height than Eiffel Tower, around 369 meter long and 369 meter height and 13 kilometer length will be there. For this railway bridge, the capacity for maximum speed will be 266 km per hour. Next, second edition Northeast Olympic 2022 will be held in Meghalaya. First edition was held in 2008 in Manipur. Okay, here correct answer is Meghalaya. Next, recently, which of the following campaign has been launched by Union government which focuses on cognitive development of children in the first 2 years of life? Okay, here correct answer is Palan 1000. Palan 1000 is the right answer. Next question, which of the following will be the first World Heritage Site in the country? First World Heritage Site in the country to have the hydraulic lift facility. The name of the heritage site is Ellora Caves. Ellora Caves come in Maharashtra. Next question, which of the following is the first state government in the country which has recently announced to launch online taxi service? Okay, online taxi hiring service. It is a Kerala state. Okay, Kerala government has announced this for the first time in the India. Next one. Recently, very important, police force of which state has received a President's Colors Award? President Colors Award has been won by Tamil Nadu State Police. Okay, State Police, Tamil Nadu State Police Department. Next, what is the official slogan of 2024 Paris Olympic? The slogan will be Game Wide Open. Game Wide Open. 2024. Okay, 2024 Olympic will be held in Paris, France. Next, 2028 Los Angeles, USA. Next, 2032 Brisbane. Okay, Brisbane, Australia. Already 2020 held in Tokyo, Japan. Next, consider the following statement with respect to startup ecosystem. Okay, startup ecosystem in India. Recently, India has crossed 75,000 startups which are recognized by DPIIT. DPIIT meaning Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. National Startup Day was celebrated on January 16. Both statements are the correct one. So option C, both 1 and 2 are the correct one. Next one. Recently, which of the following has become the first city in India to publish environmental Insights Explorer data from Google? Here correct answer is Aurangabad. Under this environmental insights explorer, Google will tell what is the level of noise and air pollution in the Aurangabad city. It is the first city in India. Consider the following statement and choose the correct ones. Okay. Here, see. First statement, Government has launched national program for youth, namely Responsible Artificial Intelligence for Youth is the right one. Next, it is jointly developed by MIT, Ministry of Electronics, Information and Technology, and also NASSCOM in association with Microsoft. Okay, here it is not a Microsoft, it is a Intel. Okay, Intel company in association with Intel, MIT and NASSCOM has developed this National Responsible Artificial Intelligence for Youth portal. Okay, Responsible Artificial Intelligence for Youth 2022 aims to develop artificial intelligence centric skills among the school children. Here, statement 1 and 3 are the correct one. So option D, 1 and 3 are the right answer. Next one. Recently, white onion. What is this? White onion has got the GI tag. White onion for which of the following region has got the GI tag? Here correct answer is Alibag. Alibag from Maharashtra has got this white onion GI tag. Next question. What is the name of satellite? Which will be launched to unfurl the tricolor space by ISRO? It will unfurl this Indian flag in the space. Okay, by the ISRO to celebrate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, 75th anniversary of Indian independence. The name of that satellite will be is correct answer is Azadi Ka Sat. Azadi Sat. Option C, Azadi Sat is the right answer. Next, 82nd. What is the recently which of the following country launched a maiden spacecraft to the moon named Danori? Here correct answer is South Korea. South Korea space mission to moon is name of the mission is Danori. Next, recently which of the following state has launched Punyakoti Dattu Yojana? It will help in easy adaptation of cows from Goshala. Correct answer is Karnataka. Sudeep, actor Sudeep has been considered as a brand ambassador for this scheme. Okay, Sudeep, actor Sudeep. Next question. PM Gati Shakti Yojana. PM Gati Shakti Yojana. Under this, Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya will be established, will be constructed in Gujarat. Gujarat Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya. Related information related to PM Gati Shakti National Master Action Plan. It is started in 2021 by Narendra Modi ji. Okay. Multimodal connect. It is a multimodal connectivity plan. So that the aim of this is to coordinate with the different ministries and department and also bring down the logistic costs. Okay, bring down the logistic cost and improve the infrastructure project. The aim is to ensure integrated planning and implementation of infrastructure project in next 4 years. Okay. Some more information related to PM Gati Shakti Yojana is 11 more industrial corridor and 2 defense corridor. New defense corridor will be established, one in Tamil Nadu and another in Uttar Pradesh. 2 defense corridor will be established and extending the 4G connectivity, 4G internet connectivity to all villages across India. Okay. And it will help in the fulfilling the ambitious target set by the government in 2024, that is 2 lakh kilometer length highway and 200 new airports, okay, across India. It will help that cause. Next, it will be an integrated approach. Okay, I already told you, intent to bring down the 16 infrastructure related ministries and department to one center. Okay, so that the coordination will be better and project execution and implementation of that scheme will be much helpful. Next question. Recently, which of the following state has launched eggs and milk scheme? Eggs and milk scheme for the Anganwadi children. Correct answer is Kerala. Kerala is the right answer. Next question. Recently, Nagorno-Karabakh region was seen in the news. Okay, it is a disputed region between Armenia and Azerbaijan. Consider the following statement. Panchamrita Yojana launched by Madhya Pradesh and the aim of the project is to double the farmers' income. Here, Panchamrita scheme, Panchamrita Yojana has been launched by Uttar Pradesh, not by Madhya Pradesh. So, statement 1 will be wrong. And the second statement, the goal of that scheme, goal of that Yojana is to doubling the farmers' income is the right one. So, only 2 is the right answer here. Next one, the Uttarakhand Tourism Department has planned to develop Modi Circuit. In which of the following places? Correct answer is Corbett Tiger Reserve. Next question. Recently, Ministry of Culture launched India Ki Udaan initiative in association with which of the following company? It is Google. Google is the right answer. Okay, next one. 90.1. It is a Google right answer. Next question. What is it? It is the last question. What is the name of Israeli operation under which recently killed a senior commander of Islamic Jihad strike across the Gaza? What is the name of that operation? Is Operation Breaking Dawn. Operation Breaking Dawn is the right answer. Thank you for watching with. Please subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Okay, thank you very much.